Hey y'all, welcome to Humming Catfish. Today we're going to be making one of my favorites, deer bone spaghetti. So get washed up, put on your apron, and let's go. We're going to be starting with this hind quarter. It's from a deer that Sean got a couple days ago. First thing I'm going to do is get this meat off the bone. I'm going to be trimming as I go so I can put it right into the grinder. And then once I have the bones free and clear, I'm going to get them roasted. I know everybody's got their own way of doing this. I'm just going to be doing it the way that I know how. We got a really nice thing of venison here. We're going to be grinding that up here in a minute for the spaghetti sauce. And we have 2 of the leg bones that we're going to be roasting in the oven. All of the scraps and sinew and everything that was left over from the hind quarter are going to go into the pressure cooker, and then Grim will get that. I bet you thought we were finished. No, my friend. We're not going to go through all that work to make this deer bone spaghetti and then just open up a box of store-bought pasta. Now we came down here, we're going to get some eggs, and we're going to make pasta. Hello, girls. Oh, you're an angry bird. I have the eggs washed and my work area set up. I'm just going to be using regular Walmart flour. This probably isn't considered authentic, Italian pasta, but it's what I use and I think it tastes really good. The one kind of specialty flour I do have is rice flour. It helps the pasta after you got it out of the machine, sprinkle some on there and it doesn't stick together so much. Let's get started. Look at all that pasta. Every time I make pasta, I think about my grandbaby Izzy, but she's not really a baby anymore. Izzy likes helping me make pasta when she's down. So Izzy, I know you're watching this. Granny misses you and loves you. Now we're gonna bring a big pot of salted water to a boil. Merry Christmas, that's good. I think you're really gonna like this. The roasted deer bone just takes your spaghetti sauce to the next level. That's all I got for y'all today. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. And if you like what I'm doing, I sure would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. So until next time, I'll see y'all later.